Man, these cars sound so good. All right, so we're gonna let this thing warm up and then we'll get you some revs. We installed long tube headers with the catted X pipe on this. It's an 01 Cobra. He's getting everything done. As you see, he's already put the 0304 Cobra rear bumper, spoiler, hood on the car. Really nice car. He's getting it ready. Gonna paint it. But we went ahead and put long tube headers on for him with the catted X pipe. So let it warm up. We'll get you some revs. But the video. So we picked up a Mach 1. This is an 04 Mach 1. You might have seen this car a couple times on Foxcast Media. And before I bought the 06, the blue car, I was trying to buy this car from the owner at the time, but he didn't want to sell it. Tried multiple times, didn't want to sell it, so we bought the blue car. However, this car came up for sale and I had to have it. It is a extremely clean 04 Mach 1. Even the interior is in great shape. Got the old school Mach 1 shifter knob in it. It is a manual, of course. It had to have a manual. I'm really enjoying this car, guys. I've got the 11 and we have the Fox that we're going to be doing some work with on the channel, but that's going to be a long-term project. But the Mach 1, it's pretty much my street car. I wasn't going to do a video on this, and the main reason was because I'm not really looking to do a whole lot to it. Reason I bought this car is because it's pretty much the way I want it as of right now. I'm not looking to put any horsepower onto it at this moment. I'm not saying I won't, but at this moment, I'm not. We are leaving the 4 valve, so before everybody gets on there, coyote swap, we're leaving the 4 valve in it for right now. But we're leaving the 4 valve in it. I have no intentions to put anything other than the 4 valve in it. I'm a big fan of the 4 valves. However, guys, we did get rid of the 06 GT. The main reason was I bought this. I had this, the 06 GT, the 11 GT, and the Fox, 4 Mustangs, and I really, at this point in time, I don't need 4 Mustangs. So I had to make a decision. The 11 is the car that I want to build for the drag strip. The Fox, you guys know the story on that. If you don't, go check out the video. I'm not going to get rid of it. And then I wanted the Mach 1 before I bought the 06. So when it came time to get rid of a car, it made sense to let the 06 go. For you guys wanting 3 valve on the channel, I apologize. But however, this car won me over the 06. I just absolutely love it. I would love to have another 05 to 09 down the road. But if we do that, we'll probably be picking up a 07 to 09 GT500. You get some revs? Woo! Man, that sounds so good. That's one thing about the 4 valves. They sound so damn good. I ain't saying the coyotes don't sound good, but these, whole different sound. Love them. Awesome, dude. Woo! All right, guys, so here in just a second, we're going to take this down the road for you to be right now. In the Mach 1, it's been a couple days. I was going to shoot that evening, got busy at the shop, and of course, as you know, it gets dark early, so ran out of daylight. Then yesterday we had storms rolling through, so couldn't do anything then. So now it is cold, but the sun's out, so I decided to get the Mach 1 out and take it down the road. You guys been asking me to make a video for you guys, just take the car out driving like you used to, make a video. So I figured introducing this car, I would do that. She got a little bit of power to her. Mm-hmm. I wasn't expecting that 2 to 3
Today, Junior.
Break loose just a little bit. Guys, it's not a Coyote, but it is a fun car. 4 valves are so much fun, and a lot of people don't give them enough credit. After all, if the 4 valve and the 2 valve wouldn't have been around, even the 3 valve, we wouldn't have the Coyote today. But I still love the 2 valves, 3 valves, and 4 valves. They all have their place, and I love the push rods. So it's not just Coyote stuff for me, and that's another reason I picked this car up. Yes, we had the 3-valve. I know some of you were looking forward to it, and I always want to do some things to it, but when this car came available and I bought it, like I said, I was wanting it before I bought the 06. So when it came available, I had to snatch it up, and it didn't make sense for me to have 4 Mustangs at this moment in time. So I kind of had to pick and choose, and I wasn't getting rid of the Fox. You guys all know that story. If you didn't, go back and watch the video. And then the 11, I've kind of told you guys I'm going to build that for a track duty car, a drag strip duty car, and I'm not going to go back on that. We're going to stay focused on that car for that reason. And then I picked this up to kind of be my street duty car until at least till the Fox is built. And then we'll see where we're at once the Fox is built and we got it on the street. But the Fox is pretty much going to be kind of a long process, guys. I kind of want to bring it back and make it a really clean car. All right, guys, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. I absolutely love the Mach 1. Like I said, it's not gonna be something we're gonna be able to doing a lot to, but I will have it on the channel periodically if you guys like it. We might even, come drag season, we might even take it down to the drag strip and see what it'll do. Like I said, it's not gonna be nothing crazy, but it is a fun car. It's just something about them. It's fun. If you've ever driven one, they're just fun cars. Besides, we got the 11 to go fast in, and stay tuned over the winter. You're gonna be getting videos from it, what we're doing with it. I think you're gonna enjoy it. And then we're gonna be bringing back the Fox also. Those are 2 cars that are not going anywhere. And the Mach 1, it's here to stay too. I absolutely love that car. I had an 04 Mach 1 way back in the day, and then I got rid of it again. I got an 03 Cobra, and really love the Mach 1, love the Cobra. Maybe one day we'll get another 03 or 4 Cobra. That would be pretty sweet. But anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.